My name is Sujoy Chakravarty and I represent Quanfluence. I'm a co-founder and CEO there. At Quanfluence, we are building a photonic-based quantum computer. So that's our primary product. And in the short term, we have an optimization platform which is quantum inspired and runs our own proprietary hardware. Yes, so like I said, we have a machine which is quantum inspired. It's not a quantum computer, but it solves problems like a quantum computer would. It loads energy functions and anneals them. This is most relevant in the field of logistics, finance, anomaly detection. So those are the problems that we are solving right now with this machine while the quantum computer gets built. So quantum systems today are mostly superconducting, ion traps, things like that. We don't see those systems scaling beyond where they are now, and you require these systems to scale to a very large number of qubits to solve real world problems. So photonics is a new technology which has that promise. It promises that there is a potential to scale and build a million qubit device which will then start solving the real problems that quantum computers are capable of. I think right now the industries which are ready with these quantum inspired solutions are basically across the board. People in logistics, people in finance, people in supply chains, and so on. I think when quantum computers really start coming into their own, the first players are probably going to be people in cybersecurity, drug discovery, material sciences, and that's, I think, how the real quantum work will start. Yeah, I think the biggest misconception about quantum computing is that, how many gigaflops, teraflops, megaflops are you going to do, right? How many of NVIDIA's machines are you going to obsolete? That's not going to happen. It's a different form of compute which does completely different other things and which solves problems which normal computers can't. I think that's the conception, a misconception, that it's not just larger machines or larger GPUs or replacements for GPUs. For quantum computers, I think we are still a little far away because the machines today are too noisy, too small to really solve those problems which matter to humanity. But technology is like that. We always think that we are too far away and then suddenly it comes upon us, right? It happened with computers, it happened with AI, it's definitely going to happen with quantum. I think the most valuable benefit is, the exposure to the Jio ecosystem and how big the ecosystem are, how many different things get done here, some things we don't even know about. And the fact that Jio cares to figure out what's happening in the world, how it can be useful to them and how they can engage with the ecosystem. So that has been the most beneficial thing for us.